Sensing and experimental design. What exactly is remote sensing? हामीले रिमोट सेन्सिङ भनेर एक्ज्याक्टली के चिन्छौँ? Remote sensing is the science and to some extent or art of acquiring information about the earth surface without actually being contact with it. This is done by sensing and recording reflected or emitted energy and analyzing and analyzing and applying that information. Process of remote sensing. प्रोसेस के रहेछ त हाम्रो रिमोट सेन्सिङको? हाम्रो एनर्जी सोर्स अर इल्युमिनेसन, ओके, त्यसपछि रेडिएसन एन्ड द एटमोस्फियर, ओके, इन्टरेक्सन विथ द टार्गेट, त्यसपछि रिकॉर्डिंग अफ एनर्जी बाय द सेन्सर, त्यसपछि ट्रान्समिसन, रिसेप्सन एन्ड प्रोसेसिङ, त्यसपछि इन्टरप्रिटेसन एन्ड एनालाइसिस, त्यसपछि लास्टमा एप्लिकेसन, ओके। सेन्सर एन्ड प्लेटफर्म. अ सेन्सर इज अ डिभाइस द्याट मिन्स मेजर एन्ड रेकर्ड. के गर्छ सेन्सरले? मेजर एन्ड रेकर्ड इलेक्ट्रोम्याग्नेटिक इनर्जी. सेन्सर क्यान बी डिभाइडेड इन्टु टु ग्रुप्स. प्यासिभ सेन्सर डिपेन्ड on an external source of energy, usually the sun. The most common passive sensor is the photographic camera. Active sensor have their own source of energy. An example would be a radar gun, okay. This sensor sent out a signal and measure the amount reflected back, okay. Active sensor are more controlled because they do not depend on varying illumination condition, okay. Passive remote sensing and haptic remote sensing, दुईवटा रिमोट सेन्सिङको बारेमा पढ्दैछौँ. Passive remote sensing. Sensor sense detect naturally available energy that is emitted or reflected by the object or surrounding area being observed, okay. सेन्सर एक्टिभ रिमोट सेन्सिङ. प्यासिभमा यो भयो. अब एक्टिभमा चाहिँ सेन्सर ह्याभ देयर ओन सोर्स अफ इनर्जी टु इल्युमिनेट द फिचर अफ इन्ट्रेस्ट सच एज रेडियो डिटेक्सन एन्ड रेन्जिङ, radar, and reflected sunlight is the most common source of radiation measured by a passive sensor. Thus, sensor depends on external source of illumination such as the sun. Too much a very common example is a camera utilizing flash, okay, and it include film photography, IR, CCD, and radiometer. And an active remote sensing system both transmit the signal and receive the back scatter or reflected signal. The same camera used in sunlight becomes a passive sensor, okay. And some examples of active remote sensing are synthetic aperture radar and side looking airborne radar. And this system is receiver only. They need separate source of energy, solar radiation. And both transmit their own source of energy and monitor the returns, okay. And 6 मा चाहिँ some examples are optical mechanical sensor, OMS, multispectral scanning system, MSS, and thematic mapper TM data of Landsat sensor and sixमा छ radar user use radio waves to detect object at a considerable distance and to determine their position and direction of motion. At present, a wavelength range between 0.86 to 0.86 to 3.33 centimeter is used in radar and radar. Okay, and त्यसपछि के छ भन्दाखेरि हाम्रो प्यासिभमा लिनियर एरे सेन्सर, त्यसपछि हाई रिजोल्युसन भिजिबल HRV इमेज, मल्टिमोडल सेन्सर MMS. Imaging is suitable for discerning vegetative type and delineating vegetation pattern. Ideal remote sensing, uniform energy source. Ideal remote sensing माने uniform energy source, non interfering atmosphere, unique energy interaction at the earth surface, a spore sensor and real time data handling system. And त्यसपछि छ multi data user. The electromagnetic spectrum EMR, remote sensing in visible, IR spectrum, thermal IR spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is the continuous range of electromagnetic radiation extending from gamma ray, highly frequency, shortest wavelength, to radio waves, lower frequency and lowest wavelength, and including visible lights. The electromagnetic spectrum can be divided into 7 different regions: gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave and radio waves. Okay, these are, we can see these waves and in these tables and read. Okay, remote sensing involves the measurement of energy in many parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. The major region of interest in satellite sensing are visible light, reflected and emitted infrared, and the microwave region. The measurement of this radiation takes place in what are known as spectral bands. A spectral band is defined as a discrete interval of the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, and atmospheric interaction can be of two types. Okay, scattering and absorbing transmission. Okay, scattering and absorbing. When incoming radiation is divert to another direction. Okay, absorption transmission, when electromagnetic radiation is absorbed by atmospheric condition. Okay, त्यसपछि छ scattering occurs when particles or large gas molecules present in the atmosphere interact with a cause the electromagnetic radiation to the reflected from its original path. Type of scattering, there are three type of scattering takes place. Okay, Raylight scattering or my scattering. Okay, non-selective scattering, raylight, my non-selective scattering. Okay, and we can see kind of particles. Okay, gas molecules particle size approximately 1 nanometer भन्दा कम and wavelength depends on lambda minus 4 and scattering process ray light and smoke has 0.1 to 10 nanometer lambda by lambda power minus 2 minus 4 and mic scattering and dust fog and cloud scattering 10 nanometer भन्दा ठुलो lambda को power 0 non selective. Okay, and two मा छ atmospheric absorption. Okay, atmosphere absorption is the other main mechanism at work when electromagnetic radiation interact with the atmosphere. The radiation energy is absorbed and convert into other form of energy while passing through atmosphere. Spectral reflectance. Okay, reflection occurs when the incoming radiation is redirected by a non-transparent surface. Spectral reflectance is the reflectance ratio for a given range of wavelength. The amount of reflectance is depends on surface characteristic and wavelength of the incident energy and variability reflectance from various surface feature provides discrimination capacity of the remotely sensed data. Reflectance by vegetation manifest many peak and valley configuration. Chlorophylla absorption band in visible range. Water absorption band, okay, dips 1.4, 1.9 and 2.7. And vegetation stress and healthy study NIR. Okay, type of platform airborne platform is a space platform. Okay, airborne platform. Airborne observation are made by using special aircraft with a hole in floor of the aircraft. Height 100 देखि height 100 meter up to 30 देखि 40 किलोमिटरसम्म हाइट हुन्छ एयरबोर्नको 30 देखि 40 किलोमिटर एयरक्राफ्ट स्पीड रिलेटेड टु माउन्टेड सेन्सर एन्ड लाई मोस्टली बिट्विन 140 देखि 600 किलोमिटर पर आवर इन एरियल फोटोग्राफ्स. Okay, measurement are stored in hard copy materials and tapes or maps. Tape or mass memory devices may be used for other form of sensor. Okay, navigation of aircraft is generally improved in recent year. Okay, artificial and orientation determine the geometry of the resulting photographs. Aircraft unattached movement altered the geometry of the air photo. Airborne remote sensing is turned to be expensive maintenance and professional operators. And spaceborne satellites for spaceborne observation are launched by rocket. Satellites are positioned below between 150 देखि 36,000 किलोमिटर. मोस्ट कमन फर्म अफ प्लेटफर्म हो एउटा स्पेसबोर्न. सेटेलाइट आर प्लेस्ड इन अ ओर्बिट पाथमा. Different type of orbit are required to achieve continuous monitoring, meteorological and global mapping land cover, and selective imaging urban areas. Okay, and because of the orbit, satellite provide repetitive coverage of Earth's surface on a continuous basis. Objective of the mission determines the orbit and satellite characteristics, and orbit can be geostationary, sun synchronous, synchronous, and polar or net polar. Test statics. अब चाहिँ हामी टेस्ट स्ट्याटिक्स. Type of statics. Descriptive statics. Descriptive analysis is the statistical procedure used to summarize, organize, and simplify the data. Tools are descriptive analysis, frequency distribution, diagram and chart, measure of central tendency, measure of variability, skewness and kurtosis, and correlation and analysis, causal analysis are the descriptive statistics. And inferential statistics are inferential statistics infer from the sample of the population. Use sample statistics to infer some phenomenon or population parameter. The decision problems in inductive inference statistics is again divided into two parts. Okay, estimation, hypothesis. Point estimation, hypothesis testing मा parametric testing and non-parametric testing. Estimation मा point estimating र interval estimation. Okay, parametric test usually assume certain properties of the parameter population from which we draw sample, that is parent population from which observation are taken in normal. Observation comes from the normal population. Sample size large, sample size चाहिँ 30 भन्दा बढी हुनु पर्यो है त, और स्मलर 30 भन्दा चाहिँ बढी हुनु पर्यो है त, एन्ड और अथवा 30 भन्दा चाहिँ कम हुनु पर्यो. पपुलेसन भेरिएन्स known as unknown. Okay, known or unknown होनु पर्यो population variance. And use measurement, continuous data scales, interval and ratio scales. Okay, random sampling method are used. Commonly used parametric test are Z test, T test, F test. Okay, ANOVA है त. Random sampling method are used, commonly use parametric test. Okay, ZTF and ANOVA है त. And non-parametric test that do not make assumption. Okay, do not make assumption about the population distribution are referred to as non-parametric test. Do not make assumption of the. And generally use categorical data scales. Okay, ordinal and normal scales with frequency. All common use non-parametric test rank the outcomes variable from low to high and then analyze the rank. These tests are chi-square, Wilcoxon, Mann, Whitney, Kruskal, Wallis, Friedman test. These tests are also called distribution free test. Okay, distribution free test. Terms used in testing of hypothesis: null hypothesis, ओके हाइपोथेसिस of no difference null hypothesis is hypothesis of no difference ओके नो डिफरेन्स भने चाहिँ एच नट हुन्छ पर्यो जसमा चाहिँ नो डिफरेन्स द्याट इज देयर इज नो सिग्निफिकेन्स डिफरेन्स बिट्विन टु पपुलेसन मिन्स ओके हुनु पर्यो अल्टरनेट हाइपोथेसिस अफ डिफरेन्स के एस वान हाइपोथेसिस अफ डिफरेन्स हुनु पर्यो है त अनि थ्रीमा डिफरेन्स थ्री केस एराइज ओके के केस एराइज हुन्छन् अल्टरनेटिभमा टु टेल्ड एन्ड लेफ्ट टेल एन्ड राइट टेल टु टेल भने पहिलोसँग दोस्रो बराबर छैन देयर इज सिग्निफिकेन्ट डिफरेन्स बिट्विन टु पपुलेसन मिन होइन पहिलोसँग दोस्रो बराबर छैन देयर इज सिग्निफिकेन्ट डिफरेन्स बिट्विन टु पपुलेसन मिन्स एन्ड टेल टेस्ट ओके भनेको पहिलोभन्दा दोस्रो ठुलो छ पपुलेसन मिन्स अफ फर्स्ट इज लेस देन पपुलेसन मिन्स अफ सेकेन्ड विच इज स्ट्याटिकली सिग्निफिकेन्स भन्ने भयो एन्ड राइट टेल मिन्स पहिलो ठुलो छ सेकेन्डभन्दा पपुलेसन मिन्स अफ फर्स्ट इज ग्रेटर देन पपुलेसन मिन्स अफ सेकेन्ड विच इज स्ट्याटिकली सिग्निफिकेन्स भन्ने भयो टाइप आई एन्ड टाइप आई इरर ओके के रहेछ भन्दाखेरि डिसिजन फ्रम स्याम्पल एन्ड ट्रु स्टेट है त इट्स नट ट्रु इट्स नट फल्स एन्ड एस वान ट्रु एन्ड रङ टाइप आई इरर एन्ड करेक्ट रिजेक्ट हुन्छ एस नट रिजेक्ट हुन्छ रङ टाइप आई इरर रङ एक्सेप्ट एस नट करेक्ट हुन्छ अनि यो चाहिँ टक्कै बुझेर याद गर्ने एन्ड टाइप आई इरर रिजेक्ट एस नट वेन एस नट इज ट्रु टाइप आई इररले के हुन्छ के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि नल हाइपोथेसिस रिजेक्ट हुन्छ जति बेला नल हाइपोथेसिस के हुन्छ त ट्रु हुन्छ है त नल हाइपोथेसिस रिजेक्ट हुन्छ जति बेला नल हाइपोथेसिस ट्रु हुन्छ र टाइप आई इररले के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि नल हाइपोथेसिस एक्सेप्ट हुन्छ जति बेला नल हाइपोथेसिस फल्स हुन्छ भन्ने कुरा गर्यो टेस्टिङ अफ हाइपोथेसिस फर लार्ज स्याम्पल ओके टेस्टिङ अफ हाइपोथेसिस अफ लार्ज स्याम्पल and Z test assumption all the sample are taken from the normal parent population okay sample size is large that हुनु पर्यो 30 भन्दा बढी हुनु पर्यो population variance is known if unknown we use sampling variance s square random sampling is assumed okay and t-test को चाहिँ assumption population from which sample is are drawn is are normal हुनु पर्यो that is the parent population is normally distributed हुनु पर्यो sample are regarded as small if 30 या 30 भन्दा कम हुनु पर्यो population variance is always unknown हुनु पर्यो है त unknown population variance always unknown and it's estimate and replaced by sample variance estimate and replaced by के हुन्छ sample variance such that sampling variance is unbiased estimate of population variance okay sampling variance is unbiased estimate of population variance random sampling method is used हुन्छ है त note for the large value of an t-test flow z-test okay large भ्यालुमा चाहिँ t-test ले z-test फलो गर्छ अब एप टेस्ट है त the quality of population variance quantity होइन, quality of population variance. Commonly there is no a prior reason to have any particular expectation regarding the variance. To test the hypothesis of equal variance, F test is applied in testing the equality of population variance. Equality population variance हुनु पर्यो. The equality of several population means equality variance in several population means ANOVA हुनु पर्यो. Let there are two independent sample x1 and x2 with size n1 and n2 are taken from two normal population of variance mu1 2 and mu1 2 respectively. Then null hypothesis is not mu1 2 is equals to mu2 2. Two population have same variance, homogeneous, and h1 mu1 2 is equals to not mu2 2. Two population have different variance, homogeneous. Okay, and chi-square test. Okay, chi-square test, x-square test, and most important non-parametric test. Non-parametric test हो है त, test that does not require any assumption about the population parameter. Most commonly used to test the hypothesis concerning the frequency distribution of one or more classes. Okay, it include the categorical variance from for easy well-being, ethnicity, age group, gender, with nominal, yes, no, ordinal, agree, neutral, disagree, response based on difference issue. X square, chi-square test is a test of goodness or fit, one way classification. Chi-square test is a test of independence or homogeneity of all attribute, two way classification. And analysis of variance, ANOVA है त. एनालाइसिस अफ भेरिएन्स भने एनोभा. पावरफुल स्ट्याटिस्टिकल टुल फर टेस्ट अफ सिग्निफिकेन्स introduced by Professor R.A. Fisher in 1920. According to him, analysis of variance is the separation of variance attributable to one group of causes from the variance attributable to another group. The ANOVA consists in the estimation of the amount of variation due to each of the independent assignable cause factor separately and the comparing these estimates with the estimate due to change factor, the latter being known as experimental error or simple error. And experimental design is a plan or layout of the experiment. Terminology, okay. Treatment whose effect is to be measure or compare, जसको चाहिँ इफेक्ट चाहिँ मेजर गर्न सकिन्छ अर्थात् कम्पेयर गर्न सकिन्छ. एक्सपेरिमेन्टल युनिट, ओके. टु विच द ट्रिटमेन्ट इज एप्लाइड, ट्रिटमेन्ट जसमा एप्लाई गरिएको हुन्छ. स्याम्पलिङ युनिट वेयर द इफेक्ट अफ ट्रिटमेन्ट इज मेजर, इफेक्ट अफ ट्रिटमेन्ट मेजर गरिन्छ. इट इज अब्जर्भ अन अ स्याम्पलिङ युनिट, युजली सम फ्याक्टर अफ द एक्सपेरिमेन्टल युनिट. बेसिक प्रिन्सिपल अफ एक्सपेरिमेन्टल युनिट, ओके. के प्रिन्सिपल हुन्छन् एक्सपेरिमेन्टल युनिटका? रेन्डोमाइजेसन, रिप्लिकेसन एन्ड लोकल कन्ट्रोल. रेन्डोमाइजेसन, assigning the treatment or factor to be tested to the experimental unit according to definite law or probability. According to definite law of probability, it's guarantee the elimination of systematic error and further error uh, components that still persist is purely random in nature. Okay, replication. Repetition of experiment, the number of distinct experimental units under same treatment. Replication with randomization provide basis for estimating the error variance. Number of replication depends on many factors, that is homogeneity, number of treatment, precision requirement, and local control. अब local control को बारे में, control of all factor except the one about which we are investigating, to reduce the variance due to extraneous factor and increase precision, replication and local control. By control, try to keep random error as long as possible, and completely randomized design, formal and non-restriction, single factor experimental design, and फर्मल हुन्छ, नन रेस्ट्रिक्सन हुन्छ, सिंगल फ्याक्टर एक्सपेरिमेन्टल डिजाइन हो CRD भन्नालाई. And the treatment are assigning completely at random, so that each experimental unit has the same chance of receiving any one treatment. Commonly used when experimental units are homogeneous and involves only two principles of experimental design. Absolutely correct. They are replication and randomization applied on laboratory experiment. Okay, layout. Whole experimental material is divided into into n number of experimental unit. N is equal to R into T. I think is number of replication, R is number of replication, and T is number of treatment for equal replication. N is equals to E summation Ri for unequal replication. Okay, N is equals summation Ri for unequal replication. Assign the plot from 1 to n. Okay, assign the treatment to the experiment plot randomly. Treatment, error and total. Degree of freedom t minus 1, error n minus t, and sum of square of treatment, sum of square of error, and total is equals to n minus 1, and treatment square sum of square, and mean square भनेपछि mean square is equals to sum of square by DF, degree of freedom. Okay, mean sum of treatment, mean sum of error, and compound F is equals to mean sum of treatment of mean sum of error. Okay, and randomization, we are trying to study randomization. Randomized completely design, block design, RCBD, most widely used experimental design in forestry and biological research. The primary distinguished feature of the RBD is the presence of block of equal size, okay, of which contain all the treatment. Okay, contain all the treatment. Blocking technique, कसरी grouping the experimental unit into blocks, okay, such that variability within a block is minimized and variability among the block is maximized, and so that source of variation, treatment, replication and error, and total. Degree of freedom t minus 1, and replication r minus 1, error r minus 1 t minus 1 and total rt minus 1. Okay, n भने r into t n minus 1. Okay, sum of square of treatment, sum of square of के त replication, sum of square of error and total sum of square, and mean square is sum of square upon degree of freedom, mean sum of treatment, mean sum of replication, mean sum of error, and computed free is equals to mean sum of treatment by mean sum of error, mean sum of replication by mean sum of error. Okay, then Latin square design. Okay, balanced two-way classification LDS scheme classification scheme with two superimposed blocking system row and column. Okay, the number of row and the number of column must both be equal to number of treatment, and each treatment occurs once in each row and once in each column. Okay, the principal use of LSD in forestry research is in nursery and glass house experiment. LSD चाहिँ नर्सरीमा र ग्लास हाउस एक्सपेरिमेन्ट युज हुन्छ, especially used when the variants are in two direction and perpendicular to each other. For example, if a forest researcher want to estimate the effect of 4 different fertilizer, say A, B, C and D in the growth of nursery seedling of 4 different species, row and 4 different age groups, column has to be used the design LSD. and ANOVA कसरी बन्छ भन्दाखेरि ANOVA बन्नलाई source of variance row, column and treatment and error and total. Row t minus 1, column t minus 1, treatment t minus 1 and and error t minus 1 t minus 2 यहाँ t minus 2 हुन्छ. Good, total n minus 1 is equals to t minus 1 t square minus 1 अर्थात n minus 1 हो. And sum of square of row, sum of square of column, sum of square of treatment, sum of square of error, sum of square, total sum of square, mean sum of row, mean sum of column, mean sum of treatment, mean sum of error, mean sum of row, mean sum of error by mean sum of column by mean sum of error, mean sum of treatment of mean sum of error. Factorial experiment पढ्छौँ अब. The treatment consists of all possible combination of the selected label in 2 or more factor is referred to as factorial experiment. To find out the interaction effect of treatment for is to find out the effect of 2 different fertilizer nitrogen and potash on the production of certain crop by using 2 different amount of each fertilizer as 20 kg and 25 kg, factor K and factor N, and we can see 20 kg KO and 25 kg K1 and 20 kg NO अनि NO KNO NO K1 25 kg Na N1 KNO N1 K1 and this 4 treatment combination can be compared by lying out of the experiment in CRD RBD with R replication. Say each replicates contains 3 unit or 4:3 RCBD and ANOVA can be carried out accordingly. In this case, there are two different associated with the degree of freedom I think associated with the treatment effect in factorial expectation. Our main objective is to carry out separate test from the main effect nk and interaction nk. Okay, replication replication 2 replication 3 मा चाहिँ हामीले के देख्छौं यो रिप्लिकेसनहरु देख्न सक्छौं एन्ड त्योबाट layout 2x2 factorial experiment in RCBD with 3 replication. Okay, and split plot design आयो हाम्रो split plot design. A split plot design is a special form of factorial design when there are two treatment factor and either the effect of one factor is likely to be substantially larger than the other, or one factor involves operations such as mechanical cultivation that cannot be easily applied to a small plot. A split plot design can be arranged in randomized block, okay, in Latin square all in any other suitable design, but generally RCBD is preferred. Degree of precision. For a greater degree of precision for factor b, then assign factor b to the subplot and factor a the main plot, and relative size of the main effect. If the main effect of one factor b is expected to be much larger and easier to detect them that of the other factor a, factor b can be assigned to the main plot and factor a to the subplot. For example, in a fertilizer X variety experiment, the researcher may assign variety to the subplot and fertilizer to the main plot because she expect the fertilizer effect to be larger than the varietal effect. Okay, management practice. The cultural practice required by a factor may dictate the use of large plot. For practical feasibility, such a factor may be assigned the main plot. For example, water management and variety, it may be describable to assign water management to the main plot and varieties as subplot. And we can see there are two separated randomization process in a split plot design. Plot design, one for the main plot and another for the subplot. In each replication blocks, main plot treatment are first randomly assigned to the main plot, followed by a random assignment of the subplot treatment within each main plot. Okay, main plot एबो अनि subplot एबो n4 n2 n1 n3 त्यसरी हामीले चेन्ज गर्दै जान्छौं. ओके, एन्ड मल्टिपल कम्प्यारिजन आयो. मल्टिपल कम्प्यारिजन when an ANOVA F test reject S1 so that there is significant difference among treatment mean, but it does not specify which pair of treatment that differently significance. Okay, कुन चाहिँ differently significance स्पेसिफाई गर्दैन. To obtain this information, procedure for comparing treatment means like least significance difference LSD test and Duncan new multiple range test DNMRT are needed for biological and economic research. Peer comparison is the simplest and most commonly used comparison in research. Okay, rapid fire. Remote remote sensing is the science and art of acquiring information about the earth's surface without direct contact. It involves sensing and recording reflected or emitted energy from the surface. Remote sensing data is processed, analysis and applied for various use. The remote sensing process includes 7 steps: energy source, radiation, atmosphere, target, interaction, sensor record, transmission and reception, interpretation and analysis, and application. A sensor measure and record electromagnetic energy. Sensors are classified into passive and actives. Passive sensors rely on external energy source, mainly the sun. Common passive sensors include photographic camera and radiometer. Active sensors have their own energy source like radar. Active sensors send signal and measure reflected returns. And passive remote sensing detect naturally available energy emitted or reflected by object. Passive sensor needed external illumination, mostly solar radiation. Examples of passive sensor: optical, mechanical sensor, multispectral scanner, thematic mapper, linear array sensor, high resolution visible multiple modular sensor. Okay, and then active remote sensing system emit their own energy and measure reflected signal. Example of active sensor: synthetics, aperture radar, SAR, side looking airborne radar, SLAR. Radar use radio wave to detect object position and movement remotely. Radar wavelength use range from 0.88 to 3.33 centimeter. Ideal remote sensing required uniform energy source and non-interfering atmosphere. Unique energy interaction on Earth surface are desirable for sensing. An ideal system includes a super sensor and real-time data handling. The electromagnetic spectrum extends from gamma ray to radio waves. Remote sensing commonly use visible light, infrared and microwave regions, and spectral bands. Okay, spectral band are discrete interval of the electromagnetic spectrum measured by sensor. Atmospheric interaction affect radiation by scattering and absorption, transmission. Scattering redirect incoming radiation from its original path. Ray-light scattering involves small gas molecules 1 nanometer भन्दा कम and is wavelength depends lambda minus 4. Mice scattering involves smoke and haze particles and 0.1 to 10 nanometer with lambda dependent scattering. Non-selective scattering involves large particles like dust and fog 10 nanometer भन्दा बढी with no wavelength dependence. Absorption convert radiant energy into other form within the atmosphere. Reflection occurs when radiation is redirected by a non-transparent surface. Spectral reflection is the ratio of reflected radiation at a specific wavelength range, and reflectance varies based on surface characteristic and incident wavelength. Vegetation show characteristic spectral reflectance patterns with peaks and valley. Chlorophylla strongly absorb visible light, particularly in blue and red and water absorption cause reflectance dips around 1.4, 1.9 and 2.7 nanometer wavelength. Near infrared reflectance is used to assess vegetation health and stress. Remote sensing platforms are airborne and spaceborne. Airborne platform operate from 100 मिटरदेखि 30देखि 40 किलोमिटर अल्टिट्युड using aircraft. Aircraft speed typically range from 140 देखि 600 km per hour. Airborne sensor may record data on hard copy, tapes and digital media. Aircraft navigation and stabilization affect image geometry and airborne remote sensing is relatively expensive due to maintenance and operation. Spaceborne satellites are launched into orbit 150,000 kilometers above Earth. Satellite provide repetitive global coverage for continuous monitoring. Satellite orbit include geostationary, sun synchronous, and polar or near polar. Geostationary satellite remains fixed relative to Earth's surface. Sun synchronous satellite pass over the same area at consistent solar times. Polar or non-polar satellite cover the Earth as it rotates beneath them. Okay, and descriptive statistics summarize, organize, and simplify data. Tools and descriptive statistics include frequency distribution chart, central tendency, measure variability, correlation, and causal analysis. Inferential statistics use sample data to infer population parameter. Inferential statistics include estimation, point, and interval, and hypothesis testing, parametric and non-parametric. Parametric test assume normality, use continuous data, and often required known as non or estimate variance. Common parameter test, Z-test, T-test, and F-test or ANOVA. Non-parametric test make pure assumption, use ordinal, nominal, and analyzed rank. And common non-parametric test chi-square, Wilcoxon, Mann, Whitney, Kruskal, Wallis, Friedman test, and null hypothesis. Null hypothesis assume no difference between group of parameter. Alternative hypothesis assume there is difference. Hypothesis test can be two-tailed, left and right. Okay. type I error, reject its hypothesis when it is true, false positive अर्थात type II accept its null hypothesis when it is false, false negative. Z test is used for a range sample and 30 भन्दा स्याम्पल चाहिँ बढी भयो भने when known or estimate variance known हुनु पर्यो, with known हुनु पर्यो, estimate variance. T test is for small sample, ओके 30 भन्दा सानो हुनु पर्यो. with unknown population मा T test and unknown population variance मा T test. F test ANOVA test equality of population variance, equal हुनु पर्यो population variance and multiple means हुनु पर्यो. chi-square test is a non-parametric test for frequency data and categorical variance. ANOVA partition variance to test effect of factor vs random error. And experimental design is the plan for conducting experiment, and treatment referred to factor whose effect is tested. Experimental unit is the entity receiving the treatment. Sampling unit is when treatment effect is measured. Randomization is assigned treatment randomly to experimental unit to minimize bias. Replication repeat treatment to estimate experimental error. ओके एक्सपेरिमेन्टल एरर गर्न एस्टिमेट गर्न. लोकल कन्ट्रोल रिड्युस भेरिएबिलिटी फ्रम फ्याक्टर नट अन्डर स्टडी. ओके कम्प्लिटली ऱ्यान्डमाइज डिजाइन ऱ्यान्डमाइज एसाइन ट्रिटमेन्ट यूज फर होमोजिनियस यूनिट. नंबर of experimental unit is CRD is equals to N is equals to R into T, replication into treatment. Randomized complete block design group unit into blocked containing all treatment to control variability. And blocking minimize within block variability and maximizing between block variability. Latin square design use two blocking factor row and column for balanced two-way classification. LSD required number of row and columns equal to number of treatment. Factorial experiment study all possible combination of two or more factors. And factorial design help test interaction effect between factor. Example factor experiment nitrogen and potash fertilizer at 2 level is 2x2 design. Split plot design is used when one factor effect or application differ in scale or case for the other. Split plot has two randomization means main plot treatment and subplot treatment. Assign the factor when large expected effect to main plot for precision. Multiple comparison identify with treatment pairs difference significantly after ANOVA. Common multiple comparison method least significant difference and Duncan new multiple range test DNMRT. And these are the okay